Hi students, I'm Sonia from Vidya Guru. We are starting a new session on current affairs. If you like the session, you can press the like button. Share the video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you do that, you will get the benefit of it because whichever competitive exam that you are going to write, these questions are very important for you because the questions are very selective. What I'm going to teach you today, that's very important. So stay focused, watch the video till the end. If you do that, as I said, if I actually tell you the name once, it's difficult to keep that name in your mind. But when you actually listen to that name twice or thrice, I feel that you will be able to retain it very easily. Let's start from the very first question. The question is about Anandiben. Anandiben Patel. If you have heard the name before, there is nothing new. People have heard the name before. I am referring to Anandiben Patel. She was the ex-CM of Gujarat. Ex-CM of Gujarat, as you can even make out by the name itself. Anandiben Patel has been appointed governor of Madhya Pradesh. Anandiben Patel. See, there is a change out here. So stay focused. If you actually listen to the word Patel, I feel that you related with Gujarat only. Here there is a change. I told you I've related it with Gujarat as well. Anandiben Patel, ex-CM of Gujarat, that's important here. I'm saying she has been appointed governor of Madhya Pradesh now. The next question is Julian Assange granted citizenship by, that means by the nation, that's Ecuador. By the nation, that's Ecuador. You must be willing to know who he is. So I'm going to explain that. The nation is Ecuador, don't forget that. Julian Assange, if you haven't heard the name, then I'm going to actually explain that. See, Julian Assange is the person who is behind WikiLeaks. He was the founder of WikiLeaks. So Julian Assange was given the citizenship of the nation Ecuador. The next question is winner of Premier Badminton League. Here, if I'm going to tell you the name of the winner, that's Hyderabad Hunters. That's not sufficient. You have to learn the name of the team which was actually beaten by Hyderabad Hunters. So I'm going to write it down first. That's Hyderabad Hunters. In short, Hyderabad Hunters, and Hyderabad Hunters beat Bengaluru Blasters. Don't forget their name too. I am saying Hyderabad Hunters beat Bengaluru Blasters in Premier Badminton League. So they are the winners. You need to know the name of the runner-up as well. That's Bengaluru Blasters. You have to write down both. The next question is India International Science Festival 2018. Even this question is important. When I'm saying India International Science Festival, learn that word science, and that place is Lucknow. I've written it, the question which was asked, that was of the venue only. So that is why I'm explaining that. That is why I'm actually making you familiar with the name of the place only. That's Lucknow. I'm saying India International Science Festival 2018, which took place at Lucknow. The next question is largest source. Here is the question, that's largest source of foreign direct investment to India. That means there is a nation which invests more than other nations in India, and here the year is significant. That you need to keep in mind. That's 2016-17. The name of the nation is Mauritius. And I would like to mention here that Mauritius is ahead. I want to mention it rather. See, Mauritius is ahead than, I'm referring to US and UK. They come after Mauritius. Largest source of FDI, foreign direct investment to India, is done by the nation, that's Mauritius, and US, UK come after this nation. Autobiography of Sanjay Manjrekar, if you have heard the name, he is basically a famous cricketer of his time. Now he has written an autobiography. He is going to write down about his career in the book Imperfect. The name of the book is Imperfect. The name is different. Sanjay Manjrekar, the book of Sanjay Manjrekar, that's imperfect. The next question is, virtual ID Aadhaar is a 16-digit number. It is basically a random 16-digit number. So I am not going to write random out here. You write it down. I'm just going to explain it. What is that? See, when we say virtual ID Aadhaar, that means you need to go to the website of Aadhaar. You need to done a KYC. Let's say these days people are actually busy in updating their KYC. So KYC update is happening. You want to limit the information that you actually want to share it with the other person or maybe a company. You don't want to share the extra information. You want limited information to be shared with the company. For that limited information that you want to share with the company, limited KYC is done by this virtual ID's random 16-digit number, which can be generated often, and you need to go to the website of the Aadhaar to do such a thing. So limited KYC is done by this virtual ID 16-digit, random 16-digit number. Next question is ODI, that's One Day International. We all know that. Cricketer of 2017, or overall cricketer of the year. Overall cricketer of 2017, that's Virat Kohli. You've heard the name a lot many times, so you can very easily relate that. The next thing which I wish to tell you, all these titles, all these trophies are given by ICC. So keep that point in your mind. ODI cricketer of 2017, One Day International I am referring to, cricketer of 2017, overall cricketer of 2017, I am saying that's Virat Kohli. Let's relate this question with this question, that's Test Player of the Year 2017. That is also given by ICC. So when we say that a person, a cricketer who performed well in the test matches, that person gets the trophy of Test Player of the Year 2017. That's Steve Smith from Australia. The next question is Ambassador for Swachh Aadat Swachh Bharat. Ambassador. As we have heard a lot many names till now, but there are changes. Which occur time to time. You need to learn one more name here. That's Advocacy Ambassador for Swachh Aadat Swachh Bharat. That's Kajol. Keep this name. Kajol is the person. She has become the Advocacy Ambassador for Swachh Aadat Swachh Bharat. The next question is about Team India beat to win Cricket Blind World Cup. That means India has won the Cricket Blind World Cup. I am saying that Team India has won the Cricket Blind World Cup. If you can recall, a few days back there was a video which got uploaded from Vidya Guru from our own channel, where I actually taught you Pakistan and UAE. They are the host of this Blind World Cup. So the final was actually played at Sharjah, UAE. That's the place, Sharjah, UAE, where the final was played between India and Pakistan, where India has won and Pakistan was beaten by India. The question is important. I've written it like that. I've just written Pak over there. I am saying Team India beat to win Cricket Blind World Cup 2018 and Pakistan was beaten by India in this Blind World Cup. Next question is National Youth Festival, which was started in Greater Noida. Greater Noida is in UP. So you need to write down the name of the place at the same time. The next thing which I'm going to tell you when we are referring to Youth Festival. So National Youth Day, which is actually observed on 12th January. That's the birthday of Swami Vivekanand ji. So in the memory of Swami Vivekanand ji, we were actually celebrating this National Youth Festival, which was started on 12th January. In Greater Noida, that I've told you. But here the question is different. As you can see, the question asks you the theme of it. So I'm going to tell you the theme, that's Sankalp Se Siddhi. The theme is Sankalp Se Siddhi. That was the theme of National Youth Festival. The next question is capital first. As you can see, they are in uppercase. CNF, that's the name of a company. That's NBFC. It is written over here. I am saying capital first. NBFC merges with IDFC Bank. This question can be important, can be seen in the exams, can be there in the exams. So IDFC Bank, merger of capital first, NBFC with IDFC Bank. IDFC. The next question is world's richest person as per Forbes. That's Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos is basically the person that's BEZOS, Jeff Bezos. He is the person, he is the same person, we have actually discussed about him, we have read about him earlier as well. He is the same person behind Amazon. Jeff Bezos, he is the same person behind Amazon. So, world's richest person as per Forbes magazine, Jeff Bezos. BEZOS. That's what I've written over there. International Dharma Dham Conference. Dharma Dham Conference 2018. You just need to tell the venue of it. I'm going to write it. You write it too. That's Rajgir, Nalanda district. And when we are referring to Nalanda, that means we are talking about Bihar. So, International Dharma Dham Conference, International Dharma Dham Conference 2018. The venue of it was Rajgir, Nalanda district, Bihar. Let's start the revision. Anandiben Patel, who was the ex-CM of Gujarat, she became the governor of Madhya Pradesh now. Julian Assange, the man behind WikiLeaks, that means the founder of WikiLeaks, he got the citizenship of the nation Ecuador. Winner of Premier Badminton League Hyderabad Hunters, and they beat Bengaluru Blasters. India International Science Festival 2018 venue Lucknow. Science Festival, that's India International. Largest source of FDI to India 1617 Mauritius. Autobiography of the cricketer Sanjay Manjrekar, that's imperfect. Virtual ID Aadhaar is a random 16-digit number for limited KYC. ODI cricketer of 2017, overall cricketer of 2017 by ICC, that's Virat Kohli. Ambassador for Swachh, advocacy ambassador, better, advocacy ambassador for Swachh Bharat, Swachh Bharat Kajol. Team India beat to win Cricket Blind World Cup 2018 Pakistan. That means Pakistan was beaten by India in the Cricket Blind World Cup, which was played at Sharjah, UAE. Test Player of the Year 2017 Steve Smith. National Youth Festival was started on 12 January in Greater Noida, and the theme was Sankalp Se Siddhi. Capital first, NBFC company got merged with IDFC Bank. World's richest person as per Forbes magazine, Jeff Bezos, Amazon. Write it down in the brackets, Jeff Bezos, Amazon. International Dharma Dham Conference 2018. The venue of it was Rajgir, Nalanda district, Bihar. We are wrapping it up. Thank you.